What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. We're going to talk about Bitcoin obituaries in this video. What I mean by that is just how many times Bitcoin supposedly should have died according to mainstream media, and really how that plays out on the price chart over time. So let's dive into this video and check that out.
Trade Genius.
Guys, really quickly, as far as Bitcoin price action, this is our moneymaker indicator. This is a TUSD chart, so it's opposite of the Bitcoin chart. And so you can see on the beginning of that big move, we actually got that sell signal, and that really triggered that move down. And now we've bounced off the moving average, and we have a moneymaker buy now here at the bottom of the channel where we like it. So pretty good risk reward here for a trade. If you guys are interested in getting these indicators, you can head over to tradelikeagenius.com and check that out. Okay, so now I wanted to talk about Bitcoin. Is there a correlation between Bitcoin price and the obituary frequency? So as you can see here, all these little crosses are where there was a headline basically stating that either Bitcoin has no use case or it's going to just die off. So now that we have all this price action that we've gotten since 2013, you can see what's interesting is that it doesn't matter if price is going up or down, you're going to get a lot of this type of headline. So basically, guys, it's like, don't really pay attention to the headlines. Price is actually going to be the determining factor. And the fundamentals, actually, you have to look at what's going on behind the scenes. So when you're in a bullish market, it doesn't really matter. You're going to have some things that will be a catalyst for maybe a move. But in reality, if you're in an overall bull market, you're not stopping the bull market unless there's some major fundamental thing that goes wrong. Let's say like Bitcoin gets hacked, which really isn't possible. Really, price exhausts itself and then pulls back, and we get into these technical cycles with Bitcoin. But the headlines and things like that really don't play a part. There's a lot of headlines when the volatility is up and less headlines when the volatility is down. So when you have a nice kind of growth over here going up, grinding up from the 2016 to 2017, not a lot of headline news. Get really volatile and it's just one day after another, right? And then notice where we level off here and it gets a little less, and then we start dumping again over here and it picks back up in intensity. So, but that works both up and down. So really, you know, what you need to do is look at what's going on fundamentally with Bitcoin. And you have things like this. You have Bitcoin payment processor OpenNode gets 1.25 million from investors. Okay. Why is this important? Because they're going to be a payment platform. So this means they want to attack everything from Starbucks to buying homes, all that stuff. Tim Draper is behind this this investment. And so basically, you know, this is the kind of stuff that you want to keep an eye on, because this doesn't get the headlines. The stuff that gets the headlines is the death of Bitcoin. But this is the kind of stuff that is happening behind the scenes where it's going to promote the use case for Bitcoin and cryptos. And it's going to, when you look back on it, see all this stuff that's happening now that's going to propel things in the future. So that's really what you want to do. You want to look between the lines. But a lot of this sensational headlines and stuff like that really isn't going to affect the price cycle. Price, ultimately, supply and demand is going to do that. So food for thought there, guys, but I thought I'd point that out, and also point out that you really want to be looking for these types of headlines that are actually showing the work behind the scenes that are getting done, that are creating more functionality in the crypto ecosystem. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Please hit like and subscribe. If you're on the mobile, ring that bell, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. All right, take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.